It reminds me of like going to a carnival.
I guess I
light was
wasn't worried about the red light.
Yeah, you know.
Thanks.
How many lanes does this guy even think that there is here?
In a quarter mile, make a left turn on Northeast 102nd Avenue using the upcoming left lane.
Oh god, dude.
Clouds of black smoke billowed into the sky as flames engulfed a Canby nursery. The size of the fire calling for 5 different agencies to help get the flames under control.
The amount of fire that was there when we showed up, the fuel load and the amount of fire burning was so extreme that we couldn't get enough water supply on it to actually extinguish it right away.
The wind was another factor, creating several small brush fires in the area. Fire officials estimate wind gusts were as strong as 25 miles per hour.
And with the wind blowing as it was to the southwest, we ended up with firebrands floating within about a quarter of a mile and starting spot fires within that quarter of a mile range.
Spotting that black cloud in the sky, those passing by helped a woman on the property get to safety. Canby Fire is working to determine what caused the nursery to go up in flames. This all as the fire district is under a red flag warning, which means no burning of any kind in the area.
It seems kind of early, but it seems like seasonally things are starting to change and that we're getting earlier in the calendar year for fire season. So
It was a stop sign, come on. And you didn't stop. That is the wrong way. What is that guy doing? What is that guy doing? I don't understand why that was necessary. You could have just gone straight and then turned left. Really, dude? Turn signal's still on. Yes, that's what happens. Asshole.
quarters of a mile.
Please don't. Jeez.
People are driving crazy because it's nice out or
Dude,
something.
I know. No
What's wrong with
kidding.
them?
It says don't cross for a reason, buddy. That was almost an accident. And they just stalled. Whoops.
Head northeast on Southwest Shoals Ferry Road. Turn left onto the US 26 West ramp.
Really, dude? You guys are fucking idiots. Really, guys?
And you're the one who came up with the playing card.
I didn't come up with it. Who came up with it? Well, she's as much of a mystery as anything else here.
I'm getting sick of these mysteries.
Get out of the goddamn freeway!
Play a call and this is
Oh, that guy almost caused an accident.
You know what I'm saying? We're still in chain territory. Yeah. But like, that was like, what? Oh, that was the tip top, man. I was like, I'm never not gonna eat it if it's a chain.
Is it gonna happen
you know
again?
What? I've
Is
got
it gonna happen
no,
again?
It's gotta have 4.5 stars
so
at least. It's gotta be on the
close.
eater. That mentality. 'Cause
Another
I wish I could
chance.
turn that on every
Let's
single
try.
day.
Let's go.
Because
Let's
then
do it.
everything
Oh,
would be amazing.
victory!
You know what? You jogged my memory.
How about now? How about now? Here we go. Aw.
They had a
Final round.
yes, he steakhouse.
Oh.